sounding a little rough here. What do we got? Here, let's see. Looks like we got, okay, where's my flipper? Here we go. Hang on. Yeah, I think the mains are a little rough here. It kind of makes you want to just run it and see how far it'll go. Huh? No, gonna swap it out. Not taking any chances. What a shame. Anyway, that's it.